Good day, guys. So we are continuing from where we stopped on ovarian tumors, and this one we just want to look at what we're looking at the classification of ovarian tumors. From the classification, we go on to start talking about what the tumors one by one. Okay, so we are looking at the sex cord tumors today. All right, and well, I did actually bring the picture that shows the whole classification, where you can actually see different types of tumors, right? But this is a sex cord. Okay, sex cord tumor. So let's move on. We said that the sex cord tumors, they are rare, and they are a diverse group of ovarian tumors. That's to say that what different other tumors actually make up, the sex cord tumors. So they arise from sex cords and stromal tissues of the ovary, and the sex cord and stromal tissues are the structures in the ovary that actually are involved in hormone production and egg development. So you can start imagining the complications that come up with sex cord tumors. Do you understand? So they account for about just 5 to 7% of ovarian tumors, right? That's why we say they are rare compared to other types of ovarian tumors. So for the sex cord tumors, we have they are subgrouped. Okay, so we have the pure stromal tumors. Those ones are only stroma, cells only. We have that includes fibromas, thecomas, sclerosing stromal tumors. We have the pure sex cord tumors. Those ones is just sex cords only. All right, granulosa tumors. Okay, the mixed ones, that one is both the sex cord and the stroma elements. Okay, like the Sertoli-Leydig cell tumors. This is another picture of it, right? So key tumors explained. We have the granulosa cell tumors. Those ones are the most malignant sex cord tumors. Can be adult type of juvenile. Adult type, they occur in older women. Juvenile is younger women. So they mostly cause estrogen secretion to be so high. All right. So you have all those complications. Then we have thecomas and fibromas, which are benign, may cause just pelvic pain, abdominal pain, pressure, So thecomas also produce estrogen, but not as much as what the granulosa cells. Okay. Yes, I actually have a beautiful image here. All right. So these are the other types, but today we are actually talking about sex cord tumors. Okay. We have the germ cells. We have the surface epithelial stroma tumors. So we also have the Sertoli-Leydig tumors. Those ones, they produce androgens. So the woman be having high levels of testosterone in the body, right, to make the woman have some features of guys, so much hair, male pattern baldness, she's having a deep voice like me, can be benign or malignant, right, often treated with fertility sparing surgeries. Then the sclerosing stroma tumors, those ones are rare, typically benign, occur mostly in young women, represent as pelvic mass or hormonal symptoms. Okay, so diagnosis and management is you mostly check out for hormonal markers. That's things that are high because you have a presence of an ovarian tumor. They do imaging so that at least you can get to visualize stuff like this. Then of course histology is there to know the type. Okay, then surgery is the primary treatment. Okay, then you can now be following up with chemotherapy just to wipe up the cells that are left. So that's it for this type of ovarian tumors.